Hey friends, hello, welcome back to my channel Maths World of Passion. Here in this video, we'll see 4 very easy to make festive DIYs. For the first DIY, I've taken a waste cardboard here, which you can take any size. So I'm not measuring the size here and telling you. And you have to stick it with again a desired crepe paper of any color of your choice. Now I have made two of these and I've taken this gift wrapping paper which had a nice texture and design on it. So I've marked in a leaf shape and I cut it accordingly. I made two of these which I will use to stick on the cardboard base. Now here, this is totally optional. If you do not want to do this, you can skip this part. And then I'm using the sequences. Any bead, any sequence of your choice you can use to just highlight the sides of this cardboard. Now here in this DIY, if you want to use any colorful lace or pom-poms and tassels, you can still do it, but this is a very quick and easy to make last minute Shubh Labh DIY that I'm showing in here. Now here I'm using a marble cone from Itsy Bitsy, and these are available in different colors. It is 39 rupees one cone, which I found to be very convenient to create such artwork. Now guys, if you want to buy any products from Itsy Bitsy from their online store, you can use my coupon code MADHU5 that you see on the screen and get extra 5% discount. In fact, I'll also provide a referral link to the same in the description box. If you're interested, you can click on the link and buy anything as desired by you. They have some great offers going on for the festive season, so do not forget to check on their website. If you see, the flow is so good and it was so easy for me to make this, and this completes our very easy first Shubh Labh DIY. I hope you all like this. Now moving on to the second DIY, again I'm using the same waste cardboard. Here I'm taking a measurement of 3 into 3 centimeter and cutting them with the help of paper cutting knife, and I'm using again the different colored crepe papers. I'm just cutting a little extra and sticking the cardboard from all sides using Fevicol. I've mentioned on the screen which color and how many pieces you need to make. In fact, you can change the color if you desire to, but the number of pieces have to be the same. And you can also use color papers to make this. Not necessary you have to use crepe papers, but since I had the crepe paper, I did it with the crepe paper. Now here I'm taking another cardboard base again, which is 18.5 centimeter into 18.5 centimeter. It is important to take the measurements as specified by me on the screen here. And this cardboard base I've stuck with a little royal blue colored crepe paper again, and all these pieces I'm sticking this with the help of Fevicol on this base by leaving very little gap. That is why I said the measurements are important, and this is the order in which you have to stick. And then I attach a few tassels with beads and mirrors and few small element of golden sequences, and this is the final look of it. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now for the third DIY, I'm making use of this glass jar which I received last year during Deepavali, and there were some dry fruits kept in this, so I thought I'll make use of it. Here I take a black colored jute rope which is actually very thin. So I take around 4 to 5 centimeter in length. With the help of Fevicol, I fix them like loops on this glass jar. And yeah, if you do not want to use black color, you can use white color as well. And then with the help of glass color, I'm filling in these circles. In fact, you can also use glass color to fill from inside of the jar as well, but I want to use it in different ways, so I'm using different colors and I've colorfully filled all the loops of this, and then I attach a macrame rope on top, and this is how beautiful it is looking. Allow this to dry before you use it as a tea light holder during the festive season. And post festive season, it can be used as a very beautiful planter. Isn't this a great idea? Now for the fourth and final DIY, I'm making use of these glitter sheets that are 12 rupees per sheet, which I bought from the local market. Now here, this particular DIY, I'm going to use it in two different ways. One is definitely as a rangoli, and you would see 15 different patterns of rangoli that I'll show towards the end of the video after I complete this DIY, of course. And then it can also be used as a tea light holder. Since I do not have tea lights at home, I'll share in the shorts and also on my Instagram account all these 15 designs with the tea lights, how beautiful it would look along with some flowers. So you watch out for it. And now here what I've done is I've taken 6 pieces of leaf shaped glitter sheets and 6 pieces of a smaller circle cutout and one cutout which is a little big in size. Again, it's in circle shape. Now here I've used a silver colored sequins which you saw in the first DIY, the same sequins I've used here, and some beads, and I've created a pattern. Now here, if you want to use it as a tea light holder, it's better if you use some available tea light that you have at home and keep it in the center so that when you want to use it as a tea light, the tea light actually fits in. And one more option what you can try out here is you can use different colors, like for leaf you can probably make blue, and you just see this, the tea light just fits in right. Okay, now these circles you can make in pink color, and the one bigger circle you can probably make it in some other color, but here I've used the same color to make this rangoli art, which can also be converted as a diya holder. But yes, these are the different designs that you can try out. And friends, I don't know if I need to say this here, but honestly speaking, I'm feeling a little demotivated these days to make any new videos, which I was, till now I was doing it very consistently, because most of you who have subscribed to my channel or whoever is watching this channel is actually not watching my new videos. I don't know if you're not getting the notifications. I don't know what the problem is, but honestly, it is just your views, your likes, your share, and your comment is what really motivates me. And that is the only thing that I expect here from you people. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're a new person, and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. And if you've liked this idea, then do not forget to share this with your loved ones. Friends, wish you all a very happy Deepavali in advance. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.